Wonder why your business isn't growing while others are thriving? It's because they're using tools you haven't even thought about yet. Let's fix that. Today, I'm super excited because I'm going to share with you some killer ways to leverage AI, specifically GPT, to make serious moves in your business or side hustle. We're talking boosting efficiency, saving time, and making money. So let's jump right in. First up, let's talk customer support automation. If you're running a business or planning to, you know how time consuming it can be to handle customer inquiries. AI can fix that. With GPT-powered chatbots, you can automate responses to common questions, process returns, or even guide customers through purchases. Not only does this save you time, but it provides instant 24/7 support to your clients. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. Cool, right? Whether you're in e-commerce, service industries, or even running a small local business, automating customer service is a game changer. This means less manpower needed and happier customers because they get their answers instantly. Honestly, if you're not automating your customer service with AI yet, you're leaving money on the table. Speaking of assistants, how about taking things further? Let's dive into virtual assistant services powered by AI. With GPT, you can automate so many tasks like email responses, calendar management, and even social media posting. If you're a solopreneur or a small business owner, this allows you to focus on the bigger picture while your AI handles the nitty-gritty details. Now imagine this. You've got an AI helping you book appointments, answer routine queries, and even draft emails. It's like hiring a personal assistant without the overhead costs. And the best part? You can create these virtual assistants not just for yourself, but offer it as a service to others. This could be a new revenue stream where you help entrepreneurs set up their own AI-powered assistants. Next, let's talk about content creation. We all know that content is king, right? But creating it can be exhausting. AI can help here too. With GPT, you can generate blog posts, craft social media captions, and even write email newsletters, all in a fraction of the time it would take to do it manually. You simply input your prompts, and the AI does the heavy lifting, creating high-quality, SEO-optimized content. Whether you're running an Instagram account or maintaining a blog, GPT can help you stay consistent without burning out. Plus, this is scalable. You could offer content creation services for clients, helping them maintain their blogs, social media accounts, and even email campaigns. Moving on, let's talk data. Data analysis and market research are essential for growing any business. But don't worry, AI can handle that too. GPT can sift through large data sets, find market trends, analyze customer behaviors, and even give insights that help you make better business decisions. For example, you could upload your sales data and the AI will show you key trends and potential growth areas. You don't need to be a data scientist to understand your market anymore. Whether it's for your business or helping others with market research, this is a powerful tool that can easily add value and even turn into a lucrative service. Now, let's talk about making more money with dynamic pricing strategies. AI can help you automatically adjust your prices based on market demand, competitor prices, and customer behavior. This ensures that you stay competitive while maximizing profits. For example, in e-commerce, prices fluctuate all the time. AI tools can help you optimize your pricing so you're not leaving any money on the table, but also not overpricing and scaring customers away. Another way to tap into GPT's power is through translation and localization services. You can offer translation services for global businesses or help local companies tailor their content to specific regions or languages. With GPT's language capabilities, you can translate websites, marketing materials, or customer support documents into multiple languages with ease. This opens up your business to international markets or allows you to offer freelance translation services. Lastly, here's a fun one, selling AI prompts. Yes, you can actually make money by creating and selling prompt templates. Not everyone knows how to ask the right questions to get the best results from GPT, and this is where you can step in. Whether It's content creators, marketers, or business owners. You can create specialized prompts that make GPT work more effectively for them. This is a unique way to monetize your AI knowledge and skills. So there you have it. 7 powerful ways you can use GPT to streamline your business, boost productivity, and even create new revenue streams. Whether you're looking to scale your side hustle or automate your entire business, GPT has you covered. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and drop a comment below on how you're planning to use AI for your business. Until next time, keep crushing it.